don't like Ferris wheels.
You're such a baby.
I am.
Good morning. It's the Narvesons again, and it is entry day. We're up bright and early doing last minute things and getting ready to get packed up and headed to the fairgrounds. So this is the coffee cake that we worked on in the previous video. We'll see if it actually worked. Well, that's it. We have dropped everything off. Hopefully there's a blue ribbon on everything, and we'll just cross our fingers and wait it out. See you at the fair.
See you then. Hey, we're back to the fair. So we're gonna go into the creative activities, see how we did, see how our baking, jams, jellies, and let's take off. Let's go see what we found. Hey, look, I got 4th place.
Well done.
Pretty good,
Well
huh?
done. They're my 2nd place cherry tomatoes. Yes.
There's your, hey, look at that. You got a 1st place on your orange marmalade.
Sweet. That's exciting. That's always exciting.
That's a tough one to do.
Love it.
Apricot. There's your 1st place in apricot.
I've never made apricot jam before, so.
It's the first time.
Go
so
me.
This is really good.
It's very good. Where is it? There it is. All that extra practicing paid off. I got 3rd place on the peach coffee cake.
We're in the egg building and we're going into the honey section and we're gonna see how we did here.
Yeah, how do you do that?
I got a 1st place on my snack mix.
So, took a year off? Still best nuts in the state.
Well, that wraps it up. 2021 is in the books. I had about 40 entries, won ribbons on about half, and we are both very happy with how we did. Just another great state fair. Thanks for tagging along and seeing how we did. We hope to see you here.
See ya.